and welcome to another Tollbooks tutorial. My name is Samuel Burmeister and I'm the owner here at Tollbooks. Today's tutorial is the second in our series of JobKeeper. So I'm going to show you how to enroll an employee or employees in JobKeeper. A few things to note. Before you enroll your employees, you want to make sure you've sent them out the form that is available via the ATO website. The form will give them the information available that they need to know and ensure that they're not claiming JobKeeper from anyone else. And then once you've got those signed, you can proceed with enrolling your employees. It's important to do this in Xero, and then it will come through to the ATO's site via your software. So let's have a look. The first thing you want to do is go to your payroll menu and click on Pay Employees. In Pay Employees, Xero have added a little link here, which gives you everything you need for JobKeeper. So you're going to click on Visit our payroll support page. On the payroll support page for COVID, you'll see here as step number 4, you can enroll employees for JobKeeper payments. If you haven't already set up single touch payroll, make sure you do that step first. Assuming you've already set up single touch payroll, you're going to now click on Enroll Employees. This page will show you any potentially eligible employees. Today's date is the 17th of August, 2020. And so as of today, JobKeeper is now allowing people to be enrolled if they were employed on a part-time, full-time, or ongoing casual basis of more than 12 months as of the 1st of July. It was previously March, now they've moved it to July. So the employee must have been employed as of the 1st of July to be eligible, plus the other criteria. So let's assume that all of these employees here are eligible. We can see that they're all full-time or part-time. They were all working before the 1st of July 2020. And so what we're going to do is click Start JobKeeper. When you click Start JobKeeper next to an employee, it asks you to select the relevant ATO fortnight, because the ATO calculates JobKeeper payments per fortnight for $1,500 gross per fortnight. So let's say that we're enrolling for July and the starting fortnight was the 6th of July. So what we do is select fortnight 8, and you can see here through your single touch payroll filing, the next filing will automatically add a code of JobKeeper start fortnight number 8. And that way the ATO know how long this employee has been on JobKeeper for and when they need to be reimbursed. So you can click Save for reporting, and that will update the system. So now you can see James LeBron, our handy full-time employee, is enrolled. And if I hover over the calendar, I can see the fortnight we enrolled him from. So you'd want to go ahead and do the same for each employee, choosing the relevant fortnight each time. Make sure you get it correct. And so I'm just going to go through and do that. Once I've enrolled all my employees, all I need to do now is make sure that I've processed their pay runs for these periods, and I have filed the single touch payroll for each of those pay runs. The ATO portal updates this information via single touch payroll. So it's really important that you submit your single touch payroll filings through Xero in order for this nomination of employees, this enrollment, to be picked up by the ATO. If you log into the portal to do your monthly declaration for JobKeeper and it doesn't show all of your employees, come back to this section in Xero and ensure that everyone has been opted in, and make sure under Payroll Pay Employees that the relevant STP filing has been done. So if it says something like this, overdue, like the demo file is showing, you need to go in and make sure that you have clicked File and then lodge that single touch payroll event and submitted it to the ATO. Once submitted, you can revisit the portal and the information will have updated. So just to recap, payroll pay employees, go into our support page, click number 4, enroll employees. Then we want to verify which employees we want to nominate or enroll. Click start JobKeeper and put in the date. And once that's done, they'll all show here with their start date when you hover over it. And all we need to do is make sure that their pay runs have been posted and filed via Single Touch Payroll, clicking that file button that I just showed you on the pay run history screen. So just make sure that they're all filed and that will all feed through the enrollment. So there you go. That's how you enroll employees for JobKeeper purposes. If you need any help or you'd like to book in a training session, you can email us at info@tallbooks.com.au.